Welcome you all dear students. In today's session I am going to teach you about articles. As you have studied in the previous classes, there are two types of articles, and in that two types we have definite article and indefinite article. The first one is indefinite and the second one is definite. Indefinite articles such as a, an, and definite is the, right? But the thing is, when we are focused on articles, it is a kind of weakened form. Why? Because we felt very difficulty to use such kind of articles in the statements when actually needed to use, because we lack in this a particular system that we are using. So in today's class we are going to study about this article and the usage, how the articles are used in the sentences. Let us start. Indefinite article. Like I told you, indefinite articles such as a or an. At first, let us study a. How a is used. Article a is used in the statements. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. See, A is used for the word which begins with consonant sound, even if the first letter is vowel. So there are two ways here. The word which begins with consonant sound and another word which has a vowel. Got it? Vowel letter at first. So this is the way we have to use a, article a, in the statements. Let us move forward. Let's begin. A word begins with a consonant sound. Like I told you earlier, the word which begins with consonant sound. Let us see some more examples. Bag, the word bag. Here B is consonant, right? Consonant letter. Here game, a game. G is consonant. Here H, here it must be horse. This word must be horse. You can say a horse. But here somewhat confusion. That's why you strike off this. Horse is already used here. A horse. Here H is consonant, right? Because of this sound, we need to add a as an article for this kind of words. Let's move on. A word begins with a vowel letter. Yes, somewhat words begins with vowel letter. Like vowels you have studied, right? A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels in this alphabet, right? But it sounds the consonant, even though the words contain particular vowel letter at the beginning, but it produces consonant sound. That's why we need to use a. See, for example, union. Look at the word here, union. A is used, a union. The second, European, a European. A useful, a usage, a uniform, a university, a unicorn, a unanimous. It's not anonymous, it's unanimous. So the year sound is uh, presented here. A universal truth. See the repetition of year sound. That's why we need to use article a. Got it? Yes, let's move on. Next, we had an. How an is used in the statements. Let's read. An. An is used before a word that begins with vowel sound. That begins with vowel sound, even if the first letter is a consonant. Here, spelling mistake. You can write consonant. 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 Make it clear. Consonant. 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 A is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound, even if the first letter is a consonant. What is the problem here? This is what? About a word beginning with vowel sound. A word which begins with vowel sound contains at first is an. For example, look at here: an orange, an ice cream, an elephant, an unhappy man, Look at here. These words begin with wo. Yes, this word begins with wo, and the second ice cream, I. Here is e, u. See, these letters are called as vowels, but it produces like orange. The word orange at the beginning, it has a kind of vowel sound. That's why we need to write an. Next, let's move on. A word sounds the vowel, but letter is consonant. Look at here. The word sounds, it produces the vowel sound, but the word itself consonant letter. The beginning, the word contains consonant letter. Like an R. Here H is consonant, but an is used. But one more reason is H is mute. Here it's not honest. That is what? Honest. Because of wo, here an is used. Got it? Let's move on. Next, an MP. Here the beginning of this word is M, right? Here M is consonant, but it produces the sound is vowel sound. Even though this word is consonant, the word is consonant, MP, but it is used an. And somewhere when we come to a word like X-ray, here X is consonant, but it produces vowel sound. And SOS, here S is letter consonant. An L plate, here L also consonant. An SMS, here S is consonant. So these words having consonant at the beginning, but it produces vowel sound. As a result, we need to write an. Let's move on. How the definite article the is used before a particular person or thing, or one which is already mentioned. See, before a particular person or thing or one which is already mentioned or well known to us, or when we mention the same person or think again. See how the is used. In order to understand this concept, this kind of statement, we need to go with a suitable exercise, a kind of example. Let's start. Before a particular person or thing or one which is already mentioned. See, at the first, that concept or a particular person is mentioned or well known to us, or when we mention the same person or thing again. For that kind of words, we can use the definite article the very next sentence. Let's have an example here. While a woman, here just focus on the sentence, while a woman was standing at the bus stop, the boy seized the purse in her hand and tried to escape. I caught the boy and made him return the purse to the woman. Let's go through. Yes. Look at the first sentence. What is the first sentence here? You can find out. See, this is what? First sentence. In the first sentence, here somewhere we have a woman, right? Before the word woman, a is used. You can point out here. A is used, right? Woman was standing at the bus stop. Here the is used before the word bus stop. Then a boy, here a is used before the word boy. The boy, a boy seized the purse. Here the used the word before purse in her hand and tried to escape. Focus. Here, except bus stop and purse, all like woman and boy used with indefinite article, that is right. But when we come to second statement, I caught the boy and made him return the purse to the woman. Here, before the word boy, we used the. Here, the woman, the is used, right? Here also the. What is the reason behind such kind of tricky, right? Why? Why this has happened? It's very clear. Here, the is used before bus stop, right? Before bus stop, because the listener knows which bus stop. Got it? Which bus stop it is. There is only one bus stop in the village, and again the is used before the purse. Yes, here the purse. Which purse? We have to question here. Which purse? The purse in her hand. It says, sir, this praise, right? This praise says this which purse is. Got it? Similarly, when we come to a woman, right? A boy. Here we need to question which woman, which woman, which boy. Got it? It is not clear which ones as the base on this rule, right? Because this is the first time they are talked, who are a woman, a boy. See, these two are talked at first time and we don't know which woman, which boy. Got it? Did you understand? Yes. Let us go on. Here the purse in her hand, the purse in her hand makes clear which purse is meant. That's why the is used before the word purse. In the second sentence, when we come to second sentence, look at here. When we come to second sentence, I caught the boy and made him return the purse to the woman. Here, the boy, got it? The boy means the boy just we talked, got it? And also we can say that the boy which the listener knows. Here, the is used because this boy already used here in the first sentence. That's why we can write the boy the very next statement. Similarly, a woman, right, is used in the first statement. Here is the woman because the woman is used already. Got it? We knew that woman, which woman we are talking about. That's why the. And the purse which we talked at the first, the purse in her hand. Got it? In this way, the is used. Got it? While the woman, the boy, the bus stop, the purse are definite article here. This is the way the is used. Got it? Let's move on. Yes, as we have as we have studied in the last example, the is used when it is clearly understood who or what is meant. See, we have to use the when the concept is understood very clear who or what. Got it? Let's go to the example. The house on the corner is for sale. Yes, it's very easy concept. The house on the corner is for sale. See, I used the house. Got it? But when we come to second statement here, somewhere here, got it? Can you see? A or an is used when it is not clear which one is meant. See here, it is clear. It is clear to understand who or what. Here is when we come to a or an, it is not clear. Got it? Keep in your mind. Here we are going to study about how a or an is used and the. Got it? What is the difference between these two? Here, when we come to first sentence, the house on the corner is for sale. There is a house for sale. Would you like to buy it? There is a house. A is used. Here the. Why? The reason is very simple and very clear. Here, when we come to the house on the corner is for sale, here the is used because the words on the corner. Look at this. The words on the corner tell us which house. Tell us which house. Got it? There is only one house. There is only one house on the corner. There is only one house on the corner. That's why the is used. Because this house is very clear and we knew very well. Only one house is located on the corner. That's why the is used. Is it clear? Let's come to this statement. There is a house for sale. Would you like to buy it? Yes, let's come to here. It is not clear. It is not clear which house is meant. Here, A is used. It is not clear which house is meant. There are lots of houses. Where? There are lots of houses. Where? I don't know. There is a house for sale. Would you like to buy it? Here, the speaker doesn't know where it is, but he knew. Got it? Because it's not clear which one is meant. Got it? That's why this article a used before the word house. Got it? It's compare with these two. Here you can understand about the and definite article and indefinite article both. Let's come to next example. Next example is, have you finished the novel I lent you? Have you finished the novel I lent you? Listen. And here is, you can borrow a novel. Have you finished with the novel I lent you? The difference is the novel. Got it? A novel. What is the reason behind this? The reason is very simple. The words I lent, the words I lent you define which novel is meant. Here, the words I lent you, somewhere here, I lent you, that define which novel I'm talking about. Got it? It's very clear. And when we come to here, you can borrow a novel. The speaker has got a number of novels. Got it? In that, you can borrow any novel. I don't know. Any novel you can borrow. It's not clear. You can borrow. Got it? So, this is what the difference between these two. Let's move on. We say the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. Here, the is used before this articles, right? The use of the suggests that everyone knows them. They are things of which there is only one in our world. See, this kind of statements like the sun, the moon, the sky. The use of I'm going to stress on this. The suggests that everyone knows what? The sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. Everybody knows this. Got it? They are things of which there is only one in our world. For example, when we come to the sun, we have only one sun, right? That's why the sun. The moon, only one. The sky, only one. That's why the. Next, we naturally use the before superlative. Here, naturally we are using the before superlative. Like the best pen, the richest man. It's common. And along with this, ordinals like first, second, third. Yes. For example, the first page. You need to say. You cannot say first page. You have to say that the first page. The 10th lesson. Got it? Next, we also use the before a singular noun to refer whole class. Singular noun is used in order to refer whole class, or Group in general statements. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, the definite article the is used in order to refer to the whole class. Got it? And this statement also general. The same like we can use the cow eats grass. Here the is going to a singular, right? The cow, here cow, because of the that refers whole class. Got it? Before an adjective like the old, the young, the rich, it is going to refer a person, the rich man. Got it? Here man refers. In the same, the young man. Got it? The old. Got it? In this way, the is used. Let's move on. With musical instruments, he can play the flute. He can play the shehnai. The is used before musical instruments. Keep in your mind. A or an is used in the sense of one. How? When there is only one thing or one item, we can use A. I bought a pineapple and a dozen of bananas. Here, A is used. Got it? For the sense of one. To talk about price or speed, potatoes are 20 rupees a kilo. Here, a kilo, and even when we talk about price we are using for example, a kilo, half an hour, even thrice a week. So this kind of statements words are used. Let's move on. Before that, the car was going at 90 kilometers an hour. So this is a way that speed is used along with this a or an. Got it? Let's move on. Remember that a or an is used only with countable nouns. Got it? You cannot say a sugar. Got it? Because here sugar is uncountable. You can use a or an only countable nouns that we can count, not with uncountable nouns. Got it? Things we can't count is uncountable, like milk, sugar, gold, honesty. Here, honesty is wrong. That's honesty. Got it? Names of people have normally no article. For example, you cannot say the Nagaraj. You cannot say. You can say only Nagaraj because name of the person. Before the name of the person, you cannot use the. And this kind of habit you have, right? You had, right? For example, Rahim, Mary, Krishna. But we use the with plural nouns referring to a whole family. If you want to refer to that whole family, you can say the Nagrats. The Nagrats. Got it? Similarly, the Lals. The Wilsons. In this way, you can refer that whole family by using the definite article the. Let's move on. We use the with these kinds of place names. For example, oceans. How? At first, let us take oceans and seas. Oceans and seas. Here, the Pacific. Got it? The same we can write the Indian Ocean, right? The Indian Ocean. Next, when we come to seas, the Black Sea, the Arabian Sea. Got it? The is used. When we come to rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, the Sharavati, the Krishna. Got it? Canals. Canals, a kind of artificial way of making somewhat arrangement regarding ships, boats, or irrigation facilities we are doing. For example, Panama Canal. Before that, the is used. The Suez Canal. Got it? Even mountain groups. For example, Himalayas, a group of mountains. Here, the is used. Here, Alps, the is used. Island group. How? The West Indies, a group of islands. It's very rare, but in common we can use the Andaman Islands. Similarly, the Nicobar Islands. Got it? The is used. Deserts. The Sahara. The Thar. In this way. Got it? Let's move on. The is used before the name of holy books such as the Quran, the Gita, the Bible. Got it? In this way. So, thank you so much, my dear students, for listening this class. And you can ask if you have any doubt regarding this particular chapter. Thank you so much.